All right, y'all, today was a busy day and it was a highly anticipated day. Today we had this sneaker right here that officially dropped, the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester brick by brick. And if you was able to hit on this thing, secure a pair, congratulations. Comment down below and let me know if this is gonna be a sneaker that you're gonna keep, you're gonna flip. What are you gonna do with these things? What are your plans? We also had this sneaker right here to drop, another phone posit, and it sold out ASAP on the sneakers app. And then for those of you that care, we did have this sneaker right here that officially dropped today as well. Saucony Foot Patrol collab that did drop as well, which is a super fire sneaker in my opinion. And then we have this sneaker right here that's dropping tomorrow. Man, this week has been full of craziness. But today I want to talk to you guys about what should you do with the brick by brick. Also, these cool gray 9s ain't gonna be an easy cop. Let's talk about it.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get it.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be having another discussion video about the upcoming sneakers and some stuff that happened today. But before we get off into this discussion, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys have been killing it. Keep liking, keep commenting, watch the videos all the way through. And if you are a newbie to the channel, welcome. I hope you consider scrolling through some of the videos. And if you like what you see, y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Now, today we had a lot of sneakers drop. And I kind of want to start with the ones that kind of flew up under the radar. We had the Saucony Foot Patrol collab that did drop, and this sneaker did eventually sell out. It took a little bit of while, but I think a lot of that had to do with the fact of the Nigel Sylvester and all the other stuff that was going on, the hype around that sneaker. So it kind of took away from this sneaker. But nonetheless, it is not going for that much resale, but I do think it's going to go up in price. This is a nice collab. This is a nice colorway. This is a nice sneaker. Again, if it wasn't for the other shoes that dropped, people would have paid more attention to this one. Let me know down in the comment section that you copped this sneaker and how do you feel about it. Next up, we're going to talk about the Phone Posit 1 Volts. These things flew off the sneaker app, and I was kind of shocked because I was like, you know what? I think they're going to sit around to after the draw. But even before the draw was done, these things were gone. So I think what people did was they went for it on the sneakers app, and then they knew they had a little bit of time to enter the draw. So they went ahead and secured their phones, and then they hopped into the draw for the Nigel. But again, resale for these ain't going too crazy. I know a lot of people was talking about it. And I think if you go into stores, some of the grade school pairs might be sitting around for this sneaker. But let me know if you cop this one as well. And then last but not least, we had the Nigel Sylvester brick by brick Jordan 4 that dropped in. I know 2 people on the live this morning that ended up hitting on these. Salute to both of you guys, and make sure you guys are tapped into the lives. I typically try to go live whenever it's a sneaker release and stuff like that, so as a live cop. So you guys make sure you have a notification bell turned on so you won't miss anything that happens on the channel. So now that the official release has happened, everything, all the raffles and stuff are over with, what should you do? Should you hold this sneaker, or if you're interested in this sneaker, should you buy? I made a video earlier this week saying that if you were interested in this sneaker, to cop it now. But all hope is not lost. I do feel like that as people get their pairs in, you just gotta watch the resale market. You should be able to get your pair for a pretty decent price considering. But the longer that you wait to cop these things, the higher in value they're gonna be. So as you guys can see right now, the last sale was $369 for these things. But if we're gonna go to all sizes, we're gonna talk about my size range. That's size 11 to 11 and a half, 12. You're looking at right around $500 for a size 11.5. If we click on that, as you guys can see right here, the lowest ask is $500, the highest bid is $475. Again, when I was looking this morning as we were on the live, it was sitting right around $430. So they're already going up a little bit. But as I said, as people get their pairs in, you're going to have people that's going to be like, you know what? I need to get my money back. I'll take an extra $100, and they're going to be okay with selling these things. So I do think if you hold off for a couple of days, you should be able to get them for a little bit cheaper price. But you also have people that have FOMO, and people are just willing to pay this money for it. So the prices might fluctuate a little bit here and there. If you don't strike within the next week and a half when it comes to purchasing this sneaker, if you pay attention, this sneaker will go up to $600, $700, $800 easily, bro. If you are looking to cop this sneaker, I'm telling you guys, within the next 3 weeks, cop it, because after that price is going to skyrocket. Now, if you're looking to sell these things, make some money, the best thing for you to do is to hold this sneaker. Hold it for a good month, in my opinion. If you hold it for a month, maybe a month and a half, then you're going to be able to get the best price for this sneaker, resale price for the sneaker, and you can't go wrong with that. But that's my thoughts and opinions on the Nigels. I don't want to keep talking about them, but y'all comment down below and let me know if you copped and what are your plans to do with this sneaker. Now, last but not least, we're going to be talking about the cool gray 9s. These do drop tomorrow, and These things ain't gonna be as easy as people think. It's one of those things where I feel like Nike is really cutting back on the production of sneakers. And when it comes to these Cool Grade 9s, I can normally tell when a sneaker is gonna be a little bit more limited when I don't see a full family size run. What I mean by that is when I don't see toddler, preschool, grade school, and adult sizes. The only thing I'm seeing floating around are grade school and adults, which means that already that's going to be a little bit more limited because you don't have the full family size run. But also, when I see these things pop up on EA on Finish Line, they were gone in a matter of 10 minutes. Like, unless they took them down for whatever reason, it says all the sizes were spoken for. So I don't think this is going to be a easy cop. Even right now, the pre-sale value of the sneaker, as you guys can see, for all sizes is sitting right around $239. But like, again, that's above retail, which is a good sign and good indicator that the sneaker's gonna do pretty good. But if you look at all sizes, as you guys can see right here, my size, that 11.5, that 12, 260, 253. So again, I don't think this sneaker is going to be an easy cop unless you've already secured it. I think they're gonna fly off the shelves tomorrow. Cool Grade 9 is a classic sneaker, and I think people kind of, like I said, they got FOMO. So if they missed out on the Nigels or anything else, they got to buy something. So they itching to spend that money. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about everything that I said. Is the Cool Grade 9 something that you're going to be going for? And that's all I got for y'all. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace.